Hello, welcome to Infinite Station. I'm Hossein Khoshbayan. I'm a web designer and web developer. Okay, let's start. HTML, the language for building web pages. HTML tutorial 0 to 100. HTML quotation and citation elements and HTML comments. HTML quotation and citation elements. HTML queue for short quotations. The HTML queue element defines a short quotation. Browsers usually insert quotation marks around the queue element. Let's check it. Open Visual Studio Code. Go to the file. Okay, open folder. Select project folder. Right click on the Explorer window and choose new file. Write your page name, for example index6.html or HTML, it's up to you. Okay, write exclamation point, press tab. Okay, before that we write it to save the time. Press Ctrl B. Alright, you see we write the queue element and close it before the close P element or paragraph element tag. Okay, press Ctrl S to save the file. Go to the project folder, open your file. Okay, you can see alright, there is a shortcode. HTML block code for quotations. The HTML block code element defines a section that is quoted from another source. Browsers usually indent block code elements. Let's check it together. There is some rank. Okay, let's write it. Block code, site and web address, then descriptions, then close block code element. Press Ctrl S, or you can go to the file and select auto save. It automatically saved your file. Okay, you see. HTML ABBR for abbreviations. The HTML ABBR element defines an abbreviation or an acronym. Marking abbreviations can give useful information to browsers, translation systems, and search engines. Okay. Right. ABBR, then title, then close ABBR element before P element, before close P element. Alright. You can see. Okay. HTML address for contact information. The HTML address element defines contact information, author, owner of a document or an article. The address element is usually displayed in italic. Most browsers will add a line break before and after the element. Okay, address element, and see, and when it finished you can close it element. And see, it's right with italic. Okay. HTML site for work title. The HTML site element sorry. Okay, excuse me. The HTML size element defines the title of a work. Browsers usually display site elements in italic. Site and we close it before the P element. The site element right in italic, can see. Okay. HTML BDO for bidirectional override. And the HTML BDO element defines bidirectional override. The BDO element is used to override the current text direction. Okay. And see this. Okay. HTML exercises. Test yourself with exercises. Use an HTML element to add quotation marks around the letters. Cool. Okay. You can submit your answer on YouTube channel, on our YouTube channel, Facebook, or Instagram. HTML quotation and citation elements. ABBR defines an abbreviation or acronym. Address define contact information for the author owner of a document. BDO defines the text direction. Block quote defines a section that is quoted from another source. Cite define the title of a work. Q define a short inline quotation. HTML comments. Comment tags are used to insert comments in the HTML source code. HTML comment tag. You can add comments to your HTML source by using the following syntax. Noting that there is an exclamation point in the opening tag but not in the closing tag. Note comments are not displayed by the browser, but they can help document your HTML source code. Write comments. You can place notifications and reminders in your HTML. Let's check this example. Example in there. Okay. Can see the browsers don't show the comments, but if you go to your page source, your source code, you can see the comment. Okay. Comments are also great for debugging HTML because you can comment out HTML lines of code one at a time to search for errors. For example, we don't like show the address. At this moment. Okay. Can see the address. Okay, if we refresh the page, it goes. But if you go to the page source, can see. Okay. HTML exercises. Test yourself with exercises. Use the HTML comment tag to make a comment out of the this is a comment tag. This is a comment text, sorry. Okay. Remember to submit your answer on our YouTube channel or Facebook or Instagram page. Okay, the end. Try to do exercises. Follow us on YouTube, Instagram, and Facebook. Thanks and bye for now.